Hello everyone, you're welcome. This is Iyke Phelim. Yeah. So I noticed something with this my banana tree. It's a dwarf banana breed. It doesn't grow so tall, just about 4 or 5 feet, and it starts to fruit. It's about that size now when it starts to flower. And I discovered that instead of the flower coming out from this point here, I'm beginning to see like an expansion within the trunk. So I'm just gonna observe this, have it on camera, record it. We're gonna observe to see if the flower is gonna break out of this place because I don't understand why this place is getting fat. And see, you see that? You see, it's getting really fat and it's like something wants to pop out from this side of the trunk instead of coming out from here. So that's what I'm suspecting right now, that the flower wants to tear itself out of the trunk instead of coming out from the top. And if that happens, it's going to be a first for me witnessing such. If you have experience with this, if this is a condition, a health condition or whatever, you should let me know in your comment section below. But we're just going to observe this and see where it takes us to, because this is strange. There's this bulge here and it's getting fat and it's beginning to tear itself open. So I actually don't know what wants to happen here. All right, so if you have experience with this, please leave it in the comment section and let's share some information and some knowledge together, okay? Iyke Phelim here for the Iyke Phelim Adventure Series. Watch out for the continuation of this as we study this banana plant together. Thank you. Have a nice day.